All right, how's it going? Look, back with another nice and easy, quick, but absolutely delicious pasta. I'm using penne. Use any pasta that you want. Cream, mushroom, bacon. Oh, welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got here 2 cups of bacon. I've cut that. It's quite a thick cut I've got here and quite fatty. 2 cups again of mushrooms, fresh mushrooms, slice them up. 1 cup of onions, 1 cup of cream. Now I'm using a thick cream. You can use thin or thick cream. It's all going to work out exactly the same. A tablespoon of garlic, a teaspoon of oregano, and 2 tablespoons of some Parmesan cheese. So you're going to need a wok or a large skillet or something like that. In there I've got a touch of oil, a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil, use a different oil. We're actually going to get our bacon in first and kind of probably render it out a bit. We're going to get quite a lot of fat coming from this bacon. So we're on an above medium heat, so fairly high, and we're going to go for like 4 minutes or so, get that bacon cooked. Now, I didn't show you your pasta. We're going to concentrate on the sauce. I'm going to be using 3 cups of cooked pasta. Today I'm using penne. Okay, so we're 4 minutes in, and you can see that I've got a lot of fat there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce this fat down by like 75 to 80%, then we're back. So there you go. So there's a little bit of oil in there, or the fat. Now you wouldn't have to do that, depends on the type of bacon that you use, but this is quite a fatty one. Right, we're going to grab that 1 cup of onion and we're going to drop that in. We're going to add some salt, and be careful with your salt because the type of bacon you might have might be very salty. Black pepper. Stay on this lively heat and let's go for another 3 or 4 minutes, moving it pretty much all the time here. Fabulous. Garlic time. Tablespoon of garlic. We're going to drop in the mushrooms now, roughly equal parts to the bacon in volume. Now, if you wanted some black olives in there, might be quite nice, or a little bit of bell pepper. Right, we're going to go again 3 or 4 more minutes, highish heat, keep it moving. Nearly done this actually, it's beautiful. Super fab. Next up, we're going to go in with our oregano or oregano, whatever you call that. Quick little mix. I mean, I'm using oregano, but you could use something else. You want dried basil, thyme, rosemary. Take it into a direction you want to. We're now going to add that 1 cup of cream. And like I say, I'm using this thick cooking cream. It doesn't matter whether you use thick or thin. No difference at all. It's going to work out the same. Now we're going to put 1/2 cup of liquid in. Now I'm using just water. You could use pasta water, or you could be putting in some white wine maybe. You can see as the heat goes through that, the cream will just dissolve. Let's get that Parmesan cheese, grated fresh Parmesan cheese. 2 minutes, mixing all the time. What a beautiful sauce you've got there. Okay, cooked pasta time. Like I say, I've got 3 cups here of a penne. I'm going to reduce the heat down now to medium. 2 minutes, just get that sauce in, on and around your cooked pasta of choice. Spaghetti works well, farfalle, tagliatelle, all works really. Really nice, and that is done. That's beautiful. And there you go. That one comes with a money back guarantee. If that's not good, call me. I'll send you your money back. Terms and conditions apply. Right, that's it. Beautiful, nice and simple, creamy mushroom bacon pasta. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.